Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company My People. They're looking for a user acquisition specialist and it is project based. It pays up to $25 an hour. Your task will be to find people who want to bond with their family, friends, colleagues, or special interest groups in a meaningful way and to inspire them to sign up for our future app. These people are the ones who want to make a positive impact on others, are extroverted, and love to see other people happy in a good mood. We would expect to have 4,000 signups from adults from the US age 18 to 29. Onboarding. You will receive an onboarding by startup co-founders as detailed description of the persona. Timeline ASAP until September 23. Compensation. Please suggest your approach to our tasks and the respective budget. Other benefits. You will have a chance for long-term cooperation in case of a successful pilot project. You will work directly with company co-founders that are successful serial entrepreneurs. Requirements. You have at least 2 years hands-on experience with social media consumer communication with our target group in the US. You enjoy initiating social interactions and making positive impact on others. You are a good and creative storyteller. You have an ability to suggest an effective strategy/process to take the ownership of it. You have a native or near native level of written English. You are available for regular sync calls in the European time zone, including sharing insights for our product discovery based on the communication with potential users. So this job is part-time, it is contract and it's temporary, pays up to $25 an hour. The schedule is flexible with a self-determined schedule and at least 3 years required of marketing for this particular position. If you want to apply for this job, we're going to have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. And all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job that's available for you. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.